Good morning, everyone. How are you today? It is Sunday, and that means I have to look in the mirror, go through my weekly goals, tell you what's going on. Just quick summary. I guess a couple of things. First off, course sales are way down, right? There was only 2 the last couple of weeks. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe that's because, people are conserving their cash. I'm not sure. I know there's a lot of value in it. I love the feedback I'm getting from students. Maybe it's because I'm doing these Saturday Q&As and maybe people feel like they're getting stuff for free. Don't know. I'm still having fun. I'm still really confident that it's the best thing I've created. So kind of is what it is. We did hit 20,000 views on YouTube this week, first time this period. So that's kind of cool. So all in all, it was an okay week. Getting really frustrated staying home all the time, though. I got to tell you that much. But without further ado, let's share the screen so we can talk about it. So again, I believe having goals are important. I believe writing your goals down are more important. I believe tracking them in bite-sized chunks is more important than that. And then lastly, sharing them, the good and the bad. So that's what I do. I have a whole channel on this. I have a playlist on this channel. You can see down at the bottom of the screen. I go all the way back to December 1st of last year, tracking every week for you. So we are in week 10 of this 13-week cycle. I will definitely be changing it in 3 weeks. We'll talk about that in a minute. But all in all, health, nothing else to do with this health crisis going on. So worked out 7 days this week, feeling good. Already outlined what I'm doing today. Fasting, not as diligent, was far more diligent in the period from December 1st to February 29th. I just don't have it, right? This staying home thing is beyond frustrating. I'm doing some extra sit-ups and planks. Actually did 600 yesterday just for fun. That was, I'm feeling that this morning. 600 sit-ups, that's a bunch. As for social media and the One Rental at a Time brand, as I said, we did hit 20,000 views on YouTube, which is the first time this period. Some of that is because I added videos, right? That 20,000 number is something I thought about all week. So I was constantly thinking about new videos and topics that I maybe haven't addressed in a while. And it paid off. So we got there. We just got there, but hey, we got there. So that is really cool. Podcast listens were up. Again, they are actually down for the week, but over 10,000. So hit that mark. We did hit 186 subscribers. So we hit that mark and we hit the Instagram mark. So as far as the social media goes, we hit every mark for the first time in this 13-week period. So that is awesome, right? I haven't felt this feeling in 10 weeks. And again, to hit that 4 for 4, pretty awesome. I want to thank each and every one of you because it is each and every one of you that's helped grow the channel. Your views count. And if you're following me on Instagram, thank you, thank you, thank you. As for writing offers, I actually did write 2 offers last week right out of the MLS. I found 2 houses that would not qualify for bank financing that had been listed for a while. So I called up one of my agents and said, let's write some offers. At this point, one has told me to go away because, as you might imagine, I'm cheap. The other one has yet to respond, which it's been about 36 hours. So we should hopefully hear something today. As for other deals, not getting anything from my wholesalers. I need to figure out what's going on. I need to make some phone calls, see what's going on there. Spending some additional money, as you'll see below, on marketing. So I need to figure out what is going on. We are doing mailers and door hangers and texting and cold calling, but not getting anything. And it's time to figure out why. As far as increasing cash flow, nothing this week. Didn't sell or buy anything. We did back out of escrow. There was a house that I talked about a couple weeks ago that had a bad appraisal. I love the house. I'm probably just going to keep it. I think it's worth $225 or more. The appraisal came in at $190. It rents for $1,500. It's in the tower, so it's going to appreciate really nice. I'll sell it for $225, but I'm not selling it for a penny less because I'll just keep it. Because again, I think the Tower District could easily appreciate, and it cash flows like a monster for me. So if I can't get my price, I will just keep it. And that's the benefit of having options. As far as spending, not doing anything, shoot, not leaving the house, so hard to spend any money. As for unique events, again, tough to do. I need to get creative. I tried to go watch a sunset with Olivia, but she wasn't having it. So we need to figure out something to do. And then as far as, inspiring hope and belief, which is what I think one rental is at a time is at its nutshell. I want you to believe it's possible. I want to paint the picture of hope. We've continued the 4+ hours of original content. We did do a positive impact story. One of the things you'll see is I think I got too granular trying to document what I was going to do each week. That's kind of not how my brain works. So this was probably a bad idea. I do need to get more focus on doing some Instagram lives with folks. So that's something I need to do. I was a guest on a podcast or a video. Actually, April Crosley and I talked on Friday. She is having her YouTube editor person put that video together. So that should be fun to see. As for books, we only sold 56 last week. We were shooting for 100. We did get 6 Amazon reviews, 5-star reviews. So thank you. That's a nice thing. That's something I track. So thank you very much. We did, what did we sell? 32 audiobooks. We're approaching 1,100. So again, I'm very glad that we did that. We got 2 Audible reviews. Those seem to be slow. If you have listened to it on audio or Audible, a quick 5-star review would be very beneficial. We had 10 people sign up for the free course, which is kind of an introduction to who I am, what I do, that kind of stuff, which is awesome. But as I mentioned in the opening, this is the 2nd week in a row, and really 3 weeks in a row, where it's been very disappointing. I believe the course is the best thing I've created. It is clearly helping people that do the work. I think it's ridiculously cheap at $199. It gets you access to me in a private Facebook group, and we do some Saturday live streams in Facebook. So I'm very confident in what it is. I don't advertise it or do anything like that, so maybe shame on me. But it will help more people, especially in this environment of changing real estate. It's the best thing out there, in my opinion. I didn't write this week. I need to figure that out if that's something I want to do in the next period. We did sell some hats. I think we sold 5 hats this week. Again, purple, gray, black. I think we sold 1 t-shirt as well. The t-shirts are nice because my daughter helped me create them. So if you don't mind, there's a link below. I'd love to get your feedback on what you like and don't like about the t-shirts and the hats. It's just fun. To me, this is my logo, right? One at a time. That's why the plus on the house. And then as far as the donation goes, we've already given 1,000 away via the book reports, which was a ton of fun. And we'll see what we'll do with the next $1,000. So in the end, that's my week. How was your week? Again, I'm a little disappointed in the course sales, but you got to take the good with the bad. This was a bad couple of weeks, now 3 weeks. So yeah, it is what it is, but really happy with the 20,000 views on YouTube. We finally got that number. That's been, it's been 10 weeks in the making, and I want to thank each and every one of you for that. Take care. Bye.